You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this Italian name, the Italian pronunciation first. Musetti. Yes, you have a double T. The S is pronounced more like a Z. It's not Musetti. I mean, some parts of Italy might be pronounced that way, but generally it's pronounced Musetti. And double T means that you have to stress on that T syllable. Musetti. In English, therefore, Musetti. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.